So this is where our cabin's gonna go. It's a 16 by 40. The driver just called me, said he was about an hour out, so he'll be here pretty soon. I'm pretty excited. I also had to dig this post out of the ground. It was the only thing that was really in the way of the building fitting through this fence here. It's a big gate, and I think it was like just under 16 feet wide, so I just went ahead and got that out just in case. And I mean, I feel like he should have no problem getting in here though.
Actually, stand up straight and we're taking videos.
Can we give you the walkthrough?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna walk in, and here's gonna be our kitchen area. I already have the walls up for the bedroom. Come in through here, bed, wall. Have a closet here. Then we can come back out. It's supposed to stay like right here.
Yeah.
And then we have a bathroom, toilet, shower will be at the end here.
Okay.
Pretty small. Wood burning stove probably here. A bay window. And then our kitchen will come out to probably here with an L. And then this will be the living room space with a back door to a patio.
Okay.
Pretty much it.